So we woke up in Ljubljana, completely alone, and had the sleep of our lives. ¿Qué? We're here on a mission, but more on that later. Explain to me how Ljubljana is only 3 hours away from Banja Luka and we don't visit enough. We've been here a couple of times, so no sightseeing this time because we have priorities, okay? We found that the Otporta Kuchna food market is open, don't judge my Slovenian, and we went straight to the Argentinian spot because I love cevapi and everything, but I need my bife de chorizo with chimichurri. And we ran into Argentinian people in Slovenia, which was pretty cool, and we also ran into our Banja Lučki people as well. I'll share something with you in the comments that made me really happy about this trip. We went up the castle for a digestion walk and rushed to get ready because we have somewhere to be tonight. But first, a moment of appreciation for the place we stayed at. Cozy, clean, spacious, comfy, stylish, well located, well equipped, quiet, modern, convenient. They take them all off. And we need to share it with you because if you are in Ljubljana or you're stopping by on your way to somewhere else, this is the kind of place you want to stay at. Got ready, walked like 7 minutes to the arena where the vibe was cooking, and we're here again. Look, there are so many reasons why I like Zdravko and I like his music, but really he's kind of part of my journey and how I adapted to this whole new life of mine. I think that through music you can learn so much about people and their culture. What he thinks about helped me understand so much about them, and he also helped me learn this language through his music. I can see the love people have for him, and I don't think you can see that in artists nowadays. And something that I love the most and I can see is that he brings all of ex-Yugo together. Hvala od srca, Čola. Till next time! So yeah, that's how we woke up in Ljubljana, and then we thought, should we stay, should we go, what do we do? So Slovenia has a coast, we have to go there. And so we went and we walked around and enjoyed the sun after 2 weeks without seeing it. And then we said, Italy is half an hour away, we have to go. And so we went to get some lunch, but we should get going. A child is waiting for us. Ci vediamo, Nudie!